The same affiliate marketing you are afraid to start, the same business you are calling a scam, is what has made over 18,000 Ghana cedis for somebody in just April, and I was shocked. So now tell me, which government worker earn 18,000 Ghana cedis in a month? How much did MPs make? Like MP, the whole MP, member of parliament, how much did they make a month? An affiliate marketer, an average affiliate marketer working with just your smartphone and let's say 2 to 3 hours daily at your own comfort zone. People used to say whatever you're looking for is out of your comfort zone, but this guy is making it in his comfort zone. You see the screenshot you are seeing on the screen is for somebody that made a total of 18,000 Ghana cedis in just April. And I learned from this guy, and I'm also making something, but not up to this. So I'll be showing you, and I also want you to start. So just comment interested, and I will send you the link. Like I said, I'll be doing a presentation on this Sunday. So comment interested, and I'll send you the link to join the presentation to know what is it about.